Okay, standard in and standard out. Programs that run in a terminal read text in and write text out. This is the common interface that allows lots of different programs to interact with each other. When a program outputs text, we say it sends it to standard output, or stdout for short. Anything your program sends to standard out will display on your terminal. For example, the Unix command cat sends a file's contents to standard output. So let me show you that real quick. So here I've already navigated to our directory. Let's get our files in it. And if I do cat, the name of this particular file in, put that on, I feed this file into cat, then it's going to output the contents of that file onto the screen. Now I can't edit that here. This is just peeking into the file, just displaying what's inside of it. All right, back to standard output. The standard input is, as you notice, tied to my keyboard. So I'm typing in a command, I'm telling it what file to get, and then it's spitting it out to standard output on the screen. All right, so let's switch back. So for this file, we're going to introduce gets and puts. These two commands, gets and puts, are actually part of the Ruby language, come with it. And gets is tied to standard in. We use gets to read a line from standard in. And we use puts to write the line to standard out. And here, we're feeding this variable, we're assigning it whatever we get from standard in on gets, which is what we're going to type on our keyboard in a second. And then puts is going to print that to the output standard out, which is going to go to the screen. This string, whatever we said, you said, and this value that we put into it with this little symbol here, this little, surrounded by these little symbols here. This is called a string interpolation. We'll get into that later on. So let's go to the command line and run this with Ruby and the name of the file, and without quotes, of course, and see what we can get running here. So let's go to that. Ruby to the end. Okay, run that. Now it's just paused because we are running that user underscore response equals gets. Gets is waiting for me to type something, right? So hi there. Put in hi there, right? Oops. Didn't put those little D's there. Sorry about that. Hi there. Okay, so hit return. You said hi there. All right, again. And I'll say, output this. Now, what can I do? Do spaces matter? Let's see, I'll put space, this stuff. Okay. Out this stuff. Okay. All right. Let me switch back over. So there you have it, right? So gets, reads from standard in, puts, will output whatever it is that you fed into that, and with the variable value that was set with gets, and that's it.